No.
I have no idea.
No.
No idea.
No.
No.
Social theorists of the late 19th and early 20th century were the first to outline the rise of modernity. Max Weber pinpoints rationalization as the main problem facing modernity. So what is rationalization then? As Weber sees it, rationalization may be observed in what he describes as the iron cage. How can one describe this iron cage in their own lives? One concrete manifestation of this lies within technology, specifically the use of cellular devices, which we see in our interviews conducted with fellow students.
Text.
Talk on the phone. Depends on the situation. If it's urgent, talk on the phone. I like to text.
As we see here, students primarily communicate over the phone. Rarely do people wish to talk face to face. This demonstrates the effects that technology has had on human interactions. Because conversation may be reduced to communication over text, why set aside specific times to talk to friends? Weber uses this model of the 4 types of social action to categorize actions formed in the context of actions from other individuals. The type that is most apparent in our interviews is rational action, acts that are done according to rational inclinations. As a new form of technology, texting routinizes daily interactions and removes any non-rational possibilities they may hold. Because texting can be done at any time, interactions become subject to scheduling and methodical planning. This is opposed to traditional action, which finds its foundation in emotions and non-rational actions.
I would say ways.
No, I use a lot. Instagram, Twitter.
Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Commonly used apps range from practically focused ones such as Venmo to socially focused apps such as Snapchat and Instagram. These apps demonstrate the intrusive nature of bureaucracies as they take root and become present in every aspect of life. As users maintain constant vigilance over each other through social media apps and transfer funds to each other through apps like Venmo, the producers of these apps record these interactions and sell to corporations. With more data, corporations will create content tailored to the people's wants, thus eliminating human inclinations and taking away their individual agency, also known as rationalization.
Just day-to-day communication.
I think it just makes it super convenient.
So it's like a platform to I don't know, meet other people and then interact with them.
Just fast and instant.
I just say more. You get information a lot quicker, a lot easier.
Socializing without having to actually talk to people.
It's like everything's instantaneous.
Say Instagram, as an example, I think that does hinder people's ability to, have a personal conversation.
People would rather text you than talk to you in person.
According to Weber, the methodical and emotionless nature of these interactions occur in a bureaucracy, which consists of calculated actions and rules which govern over these interactions. As technology sets in and controls how people converse with each other, they find themselves stuck in an iron cage. Because the bureaucracy maximizes efficiency and output within a capitalist society, those subject to these bureaucratic institutions will become disenchanted and find themselves stuck within the iron cage created from these institutions. In the case of our interviewees, technology acts as the institution by which students experience disenchantment noted by Weber.